Year is 2560. It has been 10 years since the war. Humanity has been overcome by aliens. Of the previously 20 billion people, only 200 million have survived the alien invasion. The majority of them have been enslaved by the aliens as low-level contractors. The major population centers in the United States are now Des Moines, Iowa, Helena, Montana, and Richmond, Virginia. While the future seems bleak, all hope is not lost. A resistance is rising. A resistance of calculus god, led by the greatest of them all. Oh, so...
So we want to find the area between the two functions, right? So first we're at the functions. So find the area between them. We have to first find where they intersect. We set e to the x is equal to 9x squared plus 6x minus 5, right? And then so we find out that they intersect at x is equals negative 1.171 and x is equal to 0.599, right? Function integral of lower bound to upper bound of the higher function minus the lower function, which is e to the x minus 9x squared plus 6x minus 5 dx, and then which gives you an answer approximately 7.936 meters squared. Okay, so for part B, we want to find the area of the line, area of the function below the line y equals negative 1, right? So basically, we have to find where y equals negative 1 is not a new function, right? So we have to find where it intersects with the function that's below it, which is y equals 9x squared plus 6x minus 5. So we set them equal to each other. We found out that x is approximately equal to negative 1.079 and 0.412, right? And then so we take the function integral. It's basically the previous question of the higher minus the lower. So it's negative 1 minus 9x squared plus 6x minus 5 dx. The answer is approximately, I'll let you solve it on yours by yourself. Now, ready? The answer is approximately 4.969 meters squared. We want to, so part C asks us to estimate the volume of the entire pond using semicircle cross section. So the area of a semicircle is pi r squared over 2. R is approximately, R is actually diameter over 2. Diameter is e to the x minus 9x squared plus 6x minus 5. So all over 2 gives us the radius. And so we want to find semicircle cross section. So we multiply by pi over 2 times function integral lower bound to upper bound of the radius squared. So we write down the radius all to over 2 squared dx. That should give us the volume, which is approximately 16.777 meters cubed, which is not enough to submerge the bunker. So we now want to find the actual volume of the thing, right? So we have the function y equals 6 minus half x squared, right? And we have our original function. So basically, to find the volume, we just multiply base times height. We already have the base, we already have the height. Oh, let's just do it. Okay, you just set up the integral, multiply your height, 6 minus 0.5 x squared, by your base, which is e to the x minus 9x squared plus 6x minus 5 dx. Right? And then your answer is just approximately 46.663 meters cubed.
It's beginning to look a lot like